Hello friends. Welcome to Audiobook Daily. Today we'll talk about The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale, first published in 1952. It was a gray Monday morning. John, a middle-aged salesman, sat in his car staring at the office building. His hands gripped the steering wheel, but his heart was heavy. Sales were down, his confidence was gone, and fear whispered in his ear, "You'll fail again." He thought about giving up, about walking away. But then, something changed. He remembered a small book a friend had handed him, The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. With nothing to lose, John decided to try its principles. What happened next not only saved his career, but it transformed his entire life. Norman Vincent Peale's classic book teaches one timeless truth: your thoughts shape your reality. If you fill your mind with doubt, fear, and negativity, you'll attract defeat. But if you cultivate faith, confidence, and positivity, you'll unlock strength you never knew you had. Peale blends psychology, spirituality, and real-life stories to show that success begins inside the mind. Let's explore the key lessons. Believe in yourself. The first principle is simple but profound. Faith in yourself is the foundation of success. Many people live trapped by self-doubt, saying things like, "I'm not smart enough," or "I don't have what it takes." Peale argues that these thoughts are self-fulfilling prophecies. If you believe you'll fail, you probably will. But if you replace those doubts with affirmations like, "I am capable," "I have the strength to succeed," your mind begins to align with your goals. Confidence doesn't come from outside. It begins within. Cultivate peace of mind. Life is noisy and stressful, but Peale teaches that true strength comes from inner calm. Through practices like prayer, meditation, or quiet reflection, you can reset your mind and reduce anxiety. He encourages setting aside moments of silence daily. When you nurture inner peace, you gain clarity, energy, and resilience to face challenges. Visualize success. One of the most powerful tools in the book is visualization. Before you can achieve success, you must see it clearly in your mind. Picture yourself speaking with confidence, achieving your goals, or living with joy. This mental rehearsal prepares your brain and emotions for real-life success. As Peale puts it, see it, believe it, and you can achieve it. Replace fear with faith. Fear is the greatest thief of opportunity. It paralyzes and whispers, "What if you fail?" But Peale reminds us that fear and faith cannot live together. When you focus on faith, whether faith in God, in life's possibilities, or in your own abilities, fear loses its power. He offers simple prayers and affirmations to replace anxiety with trust, like, "I place myself confidently in God's hands. I am not afraid." The power of words. The language we use shapes our mindset. Negative words like, "I'm tired," "I can't manage," drain energy. Positive words like, "I am strong," "I can handle this," build it. Peale encourages choosing words that inspire confidence, hope, and courage. Speak life into your days, and your days will begin to change. Surround yourself with positivity. The people around you matter. Spend too much time with doubters and complainers, and their negativity seeps into your thinking. Surround yourself with uplifting people, those who encourage you, believe in you, and inspire you to grow. Positivity is contagious, and so is negativity. Choose your environment wisely. Practical techniques. Here are some everyday steps Peale recommends. Begin mornings with affirmations of faith and strength. Practice gratitude. List your blessings daily. Read uplifting scriptures, quotes, or passages. Pause during stressful moments to breathe and reset. When fear rises, act with courage anyway. Small actions, repeated daily, gradually reshape your life. Throughout the book, Peale shares stories of people who turned their lives around. A businessman drowning in worry revived his career by practicing prayer and visualization. A young woman crippled by insecurity found confidence through affirmations and faith. These stories prove that positivity isn't just theory, it works. And what about John, our salesman from the beginning? He decided to put these principles into practice. Each morning, he repeated affirmations: I believe in myself. I trust in God's plan. I will succeed. He visualized confident meetings with clients. He prayed for peace instead of feeding his fears. At first, nothing magical happened. But slowly his attitude shifted. He walked into offices with more confidence. His energy was contagious. Within months, his sales improved. Within a year, he was promoted. More importantly, he rediscovered joy, peace, and hope. That's the essence of Norman Vincent Peale's timeless message. Change your thoughts, and you can change your world. So the next time doubt whispers in your ear, remember John's story, and remind yourself, positivity, faith, and confidence can turn even the darkest morning into a bright new beginning. And that's the power of positive thinking. Thank you for listening. See you in next Audiobook Daily Summary.